What role does religion have in government? A group of mid-state leaders is getting nationwide attention after making a change to its rule book to include Judeo-Christian values. In making that change, Sumner County Commissioners defied advice from their own attorney, who warned the change could lead to costly discrimination lawsuits. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb takes a look at what happened.
One nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The Sumner County Commission changed a prominent county document this month, even after its own attorney warned members it could get them in legal trouble. It came in an update to the rules the commission operates under. New this year was a preamble saying the commission is adopting the rules, among other things, to ensure that the county government is, most importantly, reflective of the Judeo-Christian values inherent in our nation's founding.
This is a slam dunk in terms of somebody, lawyer, filing a declaratory judgment action.
Nashville attorney David Rabin says including language about Judeo-Christian values in the commission's rules preamble is a clear violation of the First Amendment's ban against government endorsing a religion.
It's so transparent, it's obvious the court would have no problem finding that this is a violation of the First Amendment.
It puts us in a worse defensive position at that point.
Sumner County's own interim law director tried to warn the commission of the possibility of discrimination lawsuits if the commission passed the preamble with the specific religious language in it.
And I just believe that this would be a violation of the First Amendment and the Establishment Clause. The Supreme Court could change their mind on what a violation of the Establishment Clause means tomorrow. It's very expensive to be the ones to find out if that's the case.
But some of the commissioners pressed on, arguing the statement reflected history, not an endorsed religion.
This is just reference to history. It's just reference to historical fact. So I think we can answer to that there is a secular purpose here.
I think we need to be very careful we don't cross over to something that ends up taking more of our tax citizens' dollars over the next coming years in litigation.
In the end, the vote wasn't even close.
19-4. It looks like we had pretty unanimous. 20? All right, 20-4. All right.
With the commission now adopting the new preamble with the Judeo-Christian values phrase right there. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.